Hi there, I'm Eleanor from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking. This channel is mainly about eating simple, tasty, cheap and nutritious vegan meals. I believe in eating well, wasting nothing and being sustainable in everything I do. I believe that in order to live sustainably, we need to cut out meat from our diets. I love cooking with tofu, beans, legumes, and my go-to milk is almond or cashew. I don't want to see animals die so I can eat when we have so many options to choose from. I also don't like that animals are constantly being impregnated just so we can drink milk and eat cheese. So if you have the same ideas as me, or you want to try a different style of cooking and you like to go for easy meals that only take 3 minutes to watch, please subscribe and enjoy. And thanks for watching. It's Eleanor from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking. Okay, talk soon. Bye-bye.